there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of VideoNFTizer. This is a fantastic opportunity. Let me go ahead and start off with that. Also, if you're not really familiar with NFTs, let me say up front that my first bonus that I'm giving to you is a flip book on NFTs. And so you will learn about it, what they are, what they aren't, the history of it and everything. So stay tuned for that. So I need you to go ahead and get over to my bonus page here. And so from YouTube, go ahead and click the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses and VideoNFTizer here. Click that link and it'll take you to the page where we are right now. So basically, you can turn any video shot on a phone or created in any app into an actual video NFT and put it on the Ethereum blockchain. And so a little bit more about it here. Are you ready to discover the first to market groundbreaking app with proprietary VNF technology, which allows you to finally turn any video shot on a phone or created by any app into video NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain? Well, if so, I will not only show you a 100% turnkey solution, which does it, but I will also tell you how to overcome the #1 problem NFT creators have with the initial collection sales on OpenSea. All right, so VNF technology does all the heavy lifting. And because VNF technology does all the heavy lifting, all you would need to do is fill in some basic info, click on a few buttons, and have video NFTs on the blockchain ready to mint. Plus, to do all this, you do not need any prior NFT or tech experience at all. Right now, there's the biggest opportunity I've seen in the NFT space since the start of the Picture NFT craze, and that opportunity is video NFTs. You see, it's likely that video NFTs may follow the same steps of growth as Picture NFTs. At the beginning, Picture NFTs were just a curiosity. It literally took years for NFTs to get mass adoption. The biggest and most recognizable video NFTs project to date is the NBA Top Shots, with the sales volume already surpassing $1 billion on all-time sales. And of course, a little graphic here showing some of the clips of the Top Shots there. All right, other than the NBA Top Shots, there are just a handful of other recognizable video NFT projects, so the competition in the video NFT space is very low right now. So it means while the mass adoption for video NFTs could be just behind the corner, it's not here yet. So those who make their collection early may be the ones that bubble up to the top. Now, I want to go over and show you a quick demo video here. It's only a couple of minutes long, so we'll go ahead and play that now.
All right, here we are in the video creation app, which you can use to make your video NFTs. Now, the first thing you'll notice, really take a look here, is how easily laid out this app is. We always try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, let's start with the mini demo. So in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion NFT video. And we'll start by adding a scene template. Then we use the bottom slider here to move to the part we want to customize. And here you notice 3 text placeholders. Let's edit each by clicking on the text hotspot and entering a new text. Here, here, and here. Great. Now let's click on the video hotspot and add a video like this. Well, cool. So now let's add a second scene template. Click on the newly added scene, then move to the part we want to customize. Add the background image, add the video, then reposition the video just a little. Okay, looks good. All right, let's add a nice transition between the current 2 scenes, then add a 3rd scene template, like that. Now, click on the new scene, drag the slider bar again to the place we want to edit, then add a video right here. And in the final step, add a transition between the second and third scene. Good. Hey, we're done. Let's take a look at what we've just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you just how easy it is to make powerful, mind-blowing, full-motion NFT videos with this app.
All right, and so let's get into the prices and the bonuses here. All right, so to start off with, VideoNFTizer, the front end is $24.95, everything that we've talked about and what was demonstrated. Then we have a few upsells. We have the VideoNFTizer Pro for $47. You can upgrade to 10,000 collection size plus 30 collections plus unsold banner plus 700 transitions. We have VideoNFTizer Whitelister, the most powerful way to promote. And then I think somewhat of a downsell to the whitelister, we have the VideoNFTizer Multi-Chain for $37. 5 more blockchains, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance, Smart Chain, Phantom, and Harmony, possibly also Solana. In addition, we have the VideoNFTizer Agency for $97. You're licensed to sell NFT art collection making services. You get 5 team sub-accounts plus unlimited collections, upgrade to unlimited collection. All right, and so VideoNFTizer Motion NFT Maker for $37. Then we have the VideoNFTizer Motion NFT Maker Pro for $57. And then we have the VideoNFTizer Motion NFT Maker Enterprise for $67. And each of these will go into more detail once you pick up the front end. You'll be given additional pages and explanations and the opportunity to pick up those upgrades. Of course, this comes with a 100% money back guarantee. Now, the video that we just watched earlier is also here on my bonus page. Now, yes, it was very quick and simple and probably a little confusing, and that's because the guy knew what he was doing. But it will get that easy for you. All right, it may not be as quick as you creating that video NFT in less than 2 minutes like was done on that video, but you'll get to the point where you'll have it down pretty quickly. At any time, you can go ahead and click any of the red banners, on my bonus page here to take you to your secure checkout to pick up your copy. Now, when you pick up VideoNFTizer, I have some bonuses for you. And to start off with, what I had mentioned earlier is my digital download edition of non-fungible tokens. And so basically, let me show you what that is. So this is what it looks like. All right, and so this is a flip book, and you can navigate through it by clicking on the forward and backwards. You can skip to a particular page. You have some volume adjustments here. It also has some other features to go along. I'm going to use my keypad here to flip through the pages here. So 46 pages of very, very good information on what it is, what it isn't, how to use it, and some history about it. Now, in addition, if the flip book doesn't turn you on, you do have the option when you get to the last page to go ahead and get a regular PDF version of it. Okay, so that option is there for you at no additional charge. So let's continue going here. Now, in addition, to help you get some traffic to your NFT offers or any other offer or URL of your choice, I have 5,000 visitors plus 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner impressions for you. Bonus number 3, essential emails. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that the VideoNFTizer crew has offered through me to pass on to you when you pick up VideoNFTizer today. All right, once again, any of the red banners will go ahead and get you to your secure checkout. It's sold on the Warrior Plus platform. And so that is pretty much it. I want to take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch my review the demo, go through the bonuses that I'm offering to you, and I hope you take advantage of it as quickly as possible. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you much. Well, that is it. Hope you have a great day ahead of you, and as always, to your success.